D Woody, now L squared. You know we ain't going nowhere. Alright, here we go. I'm in here, my Thunder hat on, my shades, looking real fresh. By the way, Thunder up, world champs. But back to the point at hand. L squared, and D Woody. You know who we be. It's the wrecking crew. Rep red till we dead. You know how we do. I ain't a blood though, but his blood was red. You heard what I said and the reason that he bled. You a sinner, and I'm a sinner too. Bled, died, rose on day 3. Hallelujah. So trick a big Meech. Don't need a Larry Hoover. I'm reppin' JC. Now say hallelujah. Whatever you did in your past, he'll forget that. And they'll see he'll spit that. Holla if you with that. You heard this track, yeah, we gon' wreck that. Your bottom dollar, yeah, you can bet that. Wreck to the east end, wreck to the west end, wreck to the north end, wreck to the south. Wreck, we gon' wreck that. Wreck, we gon' wreck that. Wreck to the east end, wreck to the west end, wreck to the north end, wreck to the south. Wreck, we gon' wreck that.
We gon' wreck to the east and western hemispheres. Holla if you with us here, follow like my Twitter peers. If you ain't getting it, then buddy, you can sit it there. Keep making faces like you just tasted some bitter beer. Cause over here, we ain't yielding to no traffic jams. No time to sleep, we stretch it out like Elastic Man. Trimmed it clean like a hairdo at Fantastic Sam's. Fast like escaping the grass for some erratic fans. But being careful to keep God in the spotlight. You read that, then give some feedback like a hot mic. Cause we can get caught up and start to smell ourselves. Instead of pushing the gospel, we start to sell ourselves. Point the blame at me, I'm definitely at fault. Lines full of smack talk, strutting on my catwalk. But when God is speaking, it is finished, that's all. Gotta stop and listen, he don't wanna hear no back talk.
Wreck to the east end, wreck to the west end, wreck to the north end, wreck to the south. Wreck, we gon' wreck that. Wreck, we gon' wreck that.
Hey, all my people in the hood, if you reppin' with the wood, then you know just like you should, we gon' rep that. All my people doing well, where you dwell, living right, you ain't trying to go to hell, we gon' wreck that. All the players on the team working hard, touch your dreams, sit your head back and scream, we gon' wreck that. Everybody that's devoted know the word that can quote them, time to shut them out and show them how to wreck that.
Bangladesh, homies. Belated birthday mixtape. L squared, Scooby, Reese the 4. My bad, Scoot. Donald, D Woody. Let's show him how to wreck that. Not just talk, with our actions. Come on.